I'm gonna showcase you some beautiful collections which are newly arrival. So guys, let's begin the video. First in my hand, see these kind of beautifully cut bordered and heavily embroidery work is done. Apart from that, some beautiful multicolor threading and golden zari work is done in this particular border. Some beautiful stones are sticked which enhance and give the totally unique look. These are the highly wearable and highly demandable sarees in our bridal collections. See, these kind of golden zari work is done. Some small stones, shining stones are there. These are, like I'll say, bridal collection means some beautiful party wear occasions or marriage, weddings, anniversaries, or any of your engagements. Especially women are likely to wear these kind of concepts. We have many unique concepts in our bridal collections. So in next one, these kind of fully satin fabric plus beautiful heavy embroidery butta done in this particular border. Some small yellow stones are sticked in there which give the totally different and unique look to this particular saree. Some heavy embroidered this kind of butta with golden zari work is done. In each of our product, neither it's sari, kurtis, lehengas, gowns or any of our items, there is not any single cut pieces or any of our damages or defective pieces appear in our saree. Fully totally neat and clean work done by our manufacturers with their totally unique newly concepts. And third one, these kind of beautifully Antara net fabric. In this Antara net fabric, some beautiful Swarovski Zardoski works are done here. And apart from that, some white border is there, Swarovski, and some small stones are appeared and sticked in this, which give the totally new look. Rather than that, these kind of beautifully threading work are done here. See. Talk about length, 6.30 meter approx length you will get with unstitched blouse. This kind of work heavy bridal saree, there is not possible to open fully. That's why I'm gonna show you in only the concepts and body concepts of this particular sarees. Next one is some beautifully organized fabric. See. This kind of Vichitra fabric you will get. You will see some small sequence minorly work are done with particularly properly neat and clean. Some beautifully small zari work, pink zari work is done. Apart from that, some small net colors patterns are done. And some small tassels are sticked in this which give the totally completely new look. So guys, we have many varieties and collections in our sections as you see in this video. I'm gonna showcase you just few samples. If you are interested to visit our shop or see the many varieties and collections, then you have to contact the screen available number. On this particular number, you will get one PDF with a particular all the ranges and varieties and prices given in this particular PDF form. Apart from that, we provide video call facility. In this video call facility, you have to choose or which the product you will select. We have to deliver that same product at your home destination. So guys, last but not the least, beautiful items in a green color segment. These kind of same concepts, but the color is different. Let me remind you, we not provide single pieces. You have to purchase us from a set wise. In each set, you carry 4, 6, 7, 8 different color shades in each designs. And guys, we have 100 and 200 of designs in each of our sarees. We not only manufacture bridal collections, we manufacture many of the ladies wear or women's wear items like kurtis, gowns, lehengas, blouse pieces, nighties, dupattas, all the 15 to 20 different varieties of ladies wear we manufacture at under one roof. Which you name it, India's biggest 𝐂𝐸𝐴𝐴 textile company. So guys, give your precious reviews, opinions and feedbacks in our comment sections, and see you in the next video guys. Thank you.